Again, I am KL Mishra. Welcome all of you in online classes of biology. Class, at present we are studying the most important topic, respiration. As I told you, respiration can be divided into two parts as far as animals are concerned. First type is alveolar respiration, and second type, as I explained you, cellular respiration. Class, yesterday I have told you about various ways by which animal utilize ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, डायग्राम आप लोगों ने बना के हमको शेयर भी किया था. ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज बाय वेरियस पाथवेज, ये टॉपिक था और इसका डायग्राम बहुत बच्चों ने शेयर किया. बहुत अच्छी बात है. एज फार एज respiration is concerned, respiration is a very important process for both plants and animals. Plant used to take oxygen inside their body through the stomata of leaves. Clear? Plant also take oxygen during the process of respiration. ये कन्फ्यूजन दिमाग में मत रखिएगा कि प्लांट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं रेस्पिरेशन में. नो, प्लांट यूज टू टेक ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम देयर सराउंडिंग ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, एंड प्लांट टेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड also, but not in process of respiration, in the process of photosynthesis. So, for photosynthesis purpose, plant used to take carbon dioxide from their surrounding, but for respiration process, plant used to take oxygen from their surrounding. Clear? Now, plants are having stomata for respiration purpose, for the intake of various types of gases, and this intake and expel out gases takes place by the process of simple diffusion. Now come to animals. Animals are having various types of well-developed organelles, well-developed organs for the purpose of respiration. For example, human beings are having lungs in which various alveoli are present. Alveoli, or you can say bronchi, these are present. Why alveoli and bronchi are present in lungs? To increase the absorption surface area of gases. These bronchi, very small bronchi or alveoli are present. ठीक है. Now you can say that all terrestrial animals are having lungs or alveoli or bronchi for respiration purpose. Then students, what about those animals which used to live inside the water? They don't respire. They also respire, but they are having a special mechanism for respiration, because inside the water oxygen is present in dissolved form. So to take dissolved oxygen, these animals, aquatic animals, are having special things, special organs, like, you have heard the name, like gills. Aquatic animals are having gills for the purpose of respiration, or some animals are also having book lungs. Have you heard the name of book lungs? Some animals are having book lungs for the purpose of respiration. book lung क्या है, थोड़ा सा ज़रूर आपको हम बता देंगे यहाँ पे. book lungs are present in PRAWL, prawn. prawn झींगा को बोलते हैं. ये एक तरह की फिश है, बहुत छोटी फिश है ये झींगा मछली. तो इन prawn book lungs are present for the purpose of respiration. In rohu fish, katla fish, these fishes, gills are present for respiration purpose, and lungs in terrestrial animals. Clear? So there should be a specialized organ for the purpose of respiration. Clear? In your book it is also written that terrestrial organisms use the oxygen in the atmosphere for respiration. This oxygen is absorbed by different organs in different animals. All these organs have a structure that increases the surface area. कहाँ पे है? ये स्ट्रक्चर है alveoli और bronchi, सरफेस एरिया को इंक्रीज करते हैं एब्जॉर्प्शन का. इन ह्यूमन बीइंग एयर इज टेकन इनटू द बॉडी थ्रू द नॉस्ट्रिल्स. अब ये भी हमारा रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन हो गया. नॉस्ट्रिल्स हमारे पास 1 पेयर हैं, तो नॉस्ट्रिल से हो करके विंड पाइप से हो करके ये एयर जाती है हमारे थोरेसिक कैविटी में जो लंग्स हैं उनमें. तो वी आर हैविंग वेरी एडवांस सिस्टम ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन. ठीक है, ये रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन बना हुआ है ह्यूमन बीइंग का. ये रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन आप ड्रॉ करेंगे. आपका योर डायग्राम शुड बी वेरी नीट एंड वेरी क्लीन. दिस इज रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. योर डायग्राम शुड बी वेरी नीट एंड वेरी क्लीन. रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. क्लियर? नाउ when the body size of animal is large, the diffusion pressure cannot take oxygen to deliver to all parts of the body. Instead, respiratory pigment take up oxygen from the air in the lungs and carry it to the tissues which are deficient in oxygen before releasing it. In human beings, the respiratory pigment is hemoglobin. यही लिखा हुआ है कि respiratory organ में जो liquid present होता है, उस लिक्विड में हमारे पास सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम होता है. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में जो लिक्विड प्रेजेंट होता है ब्लड, उस ब्लड को कहते हैं लिक्विड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. और उस ब्लड के भीतर एक तरह का रेस्पिरेटरी पिगमेंट होता है जिसको हम हीमोग्लोबिन कहते हैं. दिस हीमोग्लोबिन is having affinity to combine with 4 molecules of oxygen. 4 molecules of oxygen. So it is hemoglobin is having high affinity to combine with oxygen. Clear? Now class about combining capacity of oxygen with hemoglobin or combining capacity of carbon dioxide with hemoglobin we will study in later online classes. Do today's homework. Make diagram of respiratory